When it comes to wearable technology, two brands stand out in the world of fitness and sports enthusiasts: Casio and Garmin. Both brands have a reputation for producing high-quality, reliable devices that are packed with features to help users achieve their fitness goals. And recently, both companies came up with two brand new smartwatches, the G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 from Casio and Forerunner 965 from Garmin. These two smartwatches are both designed with athletes in mind and offer a range of features to help users track their workouts, monitor their health, and stay connected on the go. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 and the Garmin Forerunner 965 to see how these two devices stack up against each other. Starting with the design, the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 features a rugged and durable design that's resistant to shock, vibration, and other extreme conditions. The watch features a carbon fiber reinforced case and a mineral glass lens that offers excellent protection against scratches and damages. The watch also has a water-resistant rating of 200 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. The Garmin Forerunner 965 also has a robust design that's designed to withstand tough conditions. The watch features a fiber-reinforced polymer case and a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 lens that offers excellent protection against scratches and damages. The watch is also water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and water-based activities. Both watches have a similar circular shape, with the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 having a slightly larger and thicker case than the Garmin Forerunner 965. The Casio watch has a diameter of 55mm and a thickness of 20.4mm, while the Garmin watch has a diameter of 47mm and a thickness of 13.7mm. The Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 features an MIP LCD display. The watch also has a backlight that makes it easy to read in low-light conditions. The screen is easy to navigate, and the watch features a large number of buttons that allow for easy operation. On the other hand, the Garmin Forerunner 965 features a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen display, offering a more vivid and intricate display that's easier to read and comprehend. It also comes with a newly designed bezel made out of titanium. Let's talk about the features. Both watches have an impressive range of features that make them stand out in the sports watch market. The Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 comes with GPS, activity tracking, LED backlight, and a wrist heart rate monitor that tracks heart rate, target heart rate, and heart rate zones. The watch also tracks step count and sleep quality and includes environmental sensors like a digital compass, altimeter, and barometer. The watch has a range of training functions, including a cardio load status, a 1-second stopwatch, a countdown timer, and vibration alerts. Similarly, the Garmin Forerunner 965 has GPS, activity tracking, and a wrist heart rate monitor. The watch also includes advanced training features like VO2 max and training status, which assesses your recent exercise history to let you know if you're training productively, peaking, or overreaching. The watch has a range of preloaded sports apps for running, cycling, swimming, and more, and allows you to create custom workouts. Additionally, the watch has music storage and playback and allows you to receive smart notifications from your smartphone. Regarding the battery life, the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 has a battery life of up to 14 hours in high continuous reception mode and up to 2 months without training functions. The watch also has a power-saving function that extends the battery life to 23 months. However, the watch may require more frequent recharging if used heavily. In comparison, the Garmin Forerunner 965 has a larger battery life, lasting up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and up to 31 hours in GPS mode. However, the watch has no solar option, and the AMOLED display can be power-hungry, requiring more frequent recharging than the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000. About the price, the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 retails for around $399, making it a relatively affordable option for fitness enthusiasts. Whereas the Garmin Forerunner 965 retails for around $699, making it a more expensive option than the Casio watch. In conclusion, both the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 and the Garmin Forerunner 965 are excellent sports watches with an impressive range of features. However, the Casio G-Shock Move GBD-H2000 is a more rugged traditional sports watch with an impressive battery life, while the Garmin Forerunner 965 has a more modern, sleek design and a larger, higher resolution touchscreen display. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.